While mommy is out buying groceries, Zeke and I are here waiting for her in the car. We're bonding. Well, I'm trying to burp him. And I think he's already pooped. Look at this face. Look at this face. Up, up. He's a very handsome boy. He has this habit of cringing or holding his breath. Hey, I'm talking. He has this habit of cringing or holding his breath every time there's a change in elevation from when he suddenly goes down. Yeah. So so when I go down the stairs and I carry him, he cringes and he holds his breath and then he turns red. This cute boy. So I don't know why he does that. I haven't researched about it. And he's very talkative. See? Yeah. I'm gonna show you a sample. From up, down. See? Up and down. See? Look at the camera. Look at the camera. Look. Hey, I'm talking to the camera. You wanna talk? You wanna vlog? Do you wanna vlog? Huh? You wanna vlog? Huh? Why are you so talkative? One other issue with him is whenever we are inside the car and he's in the car seat, he cries. And there's this app Marge bought, where it said that at this stage of the baby's life, they wanted to be held, a physical contact. Oh, excuse him. Bless you, baby. Every time he cries, Marge picks him up, and that's when he quiets down. We're trying to avoid that from happening, since all of our friends said that we should be used to that. We should control our urge to hold him, to pick him up whenever he cries, so that we'll not be used to it, or else our bodies will fail. This kid is getting very heavy. Huh? Yes. Daddy? Daddy. Say daddy. Daddy. He looks like me, doesn't he? He poops like me too. He poops like 3 times a day, but it's an explosion, a poop explosion. Marge bought us McDonald's while waiting for her. I think he likes to eat. No! No! He can't finish 120 ml of milk. Marge's sister, who also has a 5-month-old, can only finish about 60 or 90 ml. And this kid, barely 2 months, can finish 120 ml of milk. This kid has quite an appetite. He's growing so fast too. Baby, stop growing so fast. Be a baby for like 5 more years. Okay? Ever since having a baby, I've been shaving every day. I shave like, I don't know, once every 2 weeks or once a month. And now I have a baby, I shave every day, and I'm so lazy in shaving, but I have to do it because his face might be covered in scratches because of my growing beard and mustache. Mommy's here. Hello, Mommy.
Hello.
How's the grocery?
I just bought few.
She just
Because
bought diapers.
We're in a hurry.
Because we are in a hurry.
have my baby.
Get your baby. Yep. Go to mommy.
Wait.
We are in a hurry because we will be attending a fiesta in our subdivision.
Kung ano nagkuhan-kuhan mo ng imong tiil, bibi? Nagkurug-kurug mo na imong tiil? Hmm?
In the future, when you have a kid and you have a car, your car will look like a house. With a stroller, with a car seat, with the baby stuff.
Because of this.
Because of the baby. We decided to ditch the fiesta in our subdivision because it's too hot. There's so many people there and we didn't want baby to be suffocated or to be exposed with the heat of the sun. So we are here at her sister's house to have lunch instead. Lunch is finished and we are going to the hospital now for their vaccine. Zeke will have his first vaccination today. It's 6-in-1. I don't know what's inside 6-in-1, but today is the day.